Firstly, I want to say a big thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel and left really nice comments about the grammar wheel. If you're unfamiliar with the grammar wheel, you can watch that video by clicking on the link in the description. Okay, back to the video. Many students are given an irregular verb list. And for many teachers and students, they can't customize this list, and the list can be quite boring to look at. Well, the irregular verb wheel and the free template that I've designed can be easy and enjoyable to use, and you can also customize it. Hi, it's Sam here from Teacher Sam, the channel that helps make your teaching life that little bit easier. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit that like. So I wanted to make the irregular verb wheel and the free template so that you could easily customize it by adding your own verbs. And in this video, I'm going to show you what the irregular verb wheel is, how you can customize it, and also what is included in the free template. So let's get to it. So this is the irregular verb wheel. And rather than having a long list of verbs, the student can rotate this wheel and find the past simple, the past participle, and also the ing form, the gerund, which isn't included usually in the list that students get. So in this case, we have drink, which is the infinitive. And now we have here in the box, drank, drunk, drinking. And then I have an arrow here to help the student with the name, so that it's past simple or simple past. And we have a little example here, I ate pizza yesterday. We have drunk, which is the past participle. And I have the auxiliary verb, have and has, very important. And then the eaten, the past participle. The gerund form, which is usually used in the continuous form, I am eating. And then we have the verb to be, which is very important when using the gerund. We have I am Sam, I am tall, I am happy, and also I am eating. So let's just rotate the wheel to eat. And now we have eat, which is in the infinitive. And then now we have ate, eaten, eating. Find, found, found, finding. Give, gave, given, given, giving, sorry. And then go, went, gone, going. If you find the explanations here a bit too complex for your class, then I've also provided a blank template, which is here. So you have the verbs that I have already, the same verbs as before, but here you can now design your explanations the way you want it, depending on your class and the level of your students. But what about if you want to now add your own verbs? Well, we can do this because I have also included another template that will allow you to add the verbs. So this is an example of this one now. This is a blank template. Like this, we have the bottom wheel and the top wheel. All you do is you match the lines here and also put the line in the center of the box. There we go, like that. So I've written eat here, eat, and I've written a translation. You can do that as well. So eat, and I put comer, which is Spanish. If you want maybe Italian, you can write mangiare. And if you rotate the wheel, the translation disappears. So that will help them try and remember it in their language, for example. You could do this as an activity in your class, which makes the whole class very memorable in relation to the actual tenses of the verbs. So doing this in class with your students, they could end up remembering the past simple and the past participle and the gerund form. Right, so all we do now is we want to continue adding the verbs, match up the lines here, get that in the center of the box, and now write the verb, maybe with a translation, and then here write past simple, past participle, and the gerund form here. You do that all the way around, which should look something like this. Or maybe like this. There you go. So this is the irregular verb wheel. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you now what's included in the free template. So if you want to download the irregular verb wheel, all you do is click on the link in the description below this video. Okay, so what's included in this template? So you're going to receive one bottom blank wheel template, one bottom wheel template including verbs, and 3 top wheel templates, and these are one blank template, one simple verb explanation template, and one complex verb explanation template. So these templates will look like this. This is your blank wheel template. This is the one where you can add your own verbs around the wheel. And you'll also receive a blank top wheel template. Again, so both these templates, you can customize it the way you want. Then you're going to get a bottom wheel template with all the verbs. And also this top wheel template, which is a kind of simple explanation guide for the student. And the more complex template would be this one. There you go. So what you need is you need paper or card. You need one of these, crayons or felt tip pens if you're going to customize it. And you can print your final irregular verb wheel on card and then laminate it if you want. And what you need to do is just, as you can see from the photograph, just pierce a hole in both of the wheels and then hold them together with this little clip here. And that's it. Also, if you haven't seen my other video of the grammar wheel, I will leave a link in the description where you can see that video and also download the free template of this wheel. If you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a like and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.